But you want your renders to go from this to looking like this. To replicate that retro PlayStation 1 charm, well, look no further, for you have found your video, and this tutorial will take less than 2 minutes. But first, here's why PlayStation graphics do this. The PlayStation, a groundbreaking console released in 1994, brought 3D gaming to the masses. Its early graphics were charming, but as we look back, those graphics did not age very well and were often categorized by wobbly effects and those noticeable graphical errors. In game development, 32-bit floating point numbers, or floats, are commonly used for representing positions and movements due to their balance of range and precision. You can see these wobbles a lot more nowadays compared to on a CRT television, because the lines on a CRT would effectively cover up these discrepancies versus a plasma screen TV, which has a lot more pixels and are designed to be more accurate. So let's take a look at an example for the normal people. This is Gubby. Gubby has a magic wand called a float. This magic wand can measure the distance between things, so let's try it out. Gubby, how far away is this house?
6 feet.
Good job, Gubby. How about this one?
11 feet.
Close. About 15 feet. What about this one, Gubby?
I don't know.
The house is actually 27.43 feet away. This goes to show how much trouble floats have trying to find the distances of things very far away. So how do you do it in Blender? Step 1, get the object that you would like. The less polygons, the better. Here is a CRT television that I made for you guys to showcase my demonstration. Step 2, go to the Modifiers tab and add a Displace modifier. This distorts the geometry of your build and adds some weirdness to it. It's going to look inflated at first, but we will fix that by changing the direction to RGB to XYZ. Step 3, change the coordinates from local to object, and click this little eyedropper tool and clicking on your camera. You can change it to global, but personally I like setting it to the camera. Step 4, click on the texture properties and change the preset type from image or movie to clouds. It's going to look weird again, but we just need to adjust some settings. So first, go to the noise basis and go down to cell noise. Then you're going to go to type and switch it to hard. It's still going to look pretty jagged, but then you're going to need to adjust some settings. So we're going to go back to our modifier tab and reduce the strength. I usually like to do about 0.025. Every object is going to look different depending on the size, amount of polygons, and overall geometry. And with that, you're done. Hopefully this helps you out and maybe you learned something. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. And if you use this tutorial for creation, I'd love to see it. Tag me on Insta or TikTok, or drop it in my Discord server where creators can meet each other and network. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.